Hi guys, it is June the 8th, 2025. William here, and Iona called in sick yesterday. She's not feeling well. I hope you're feeling better soon, Iona. And they replaced Iona with another worker. I can't remember his name, but he took me down to the pharmacy and we got my meds. So that all worked out okay. Watching my mom's church service on YouTube. Pretty good so far. I'm taping a vlog in between the sermon and the songs. Megan's coming tomorrow, and we'll probably go off to Tim Hortons, local donut shop, and play a game of crib. So yeah, here's Squirrel Friend. I taped the vlog yesterday with Squirrel Friend and the rats. Oh, there's the wind. It's a windy day in Halifax. Cute little guy. He's shedding his winter fur. That's why he looks uneven. So, what else? There must be something else to talk about. I do these vlogs every day, so it's difficult sometimes to find about things to talk about. Keep busy. I'm not really a talker. I'm more the quiet type. But I enjoy vlogging. I enjoy getting my voice out to everybody. I average about 6 views per vlog. So yeah, that's great. I enjoy it. I got 115 subscribers. I'm doing well. So yeah, I guess that's about it for today. Thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.